Hi guys, this is the Python series, Part 19. In the last session we have discussed about what is function and what are the main classification of function and also what are the types of functions based on argument and return type. We have completed only about function without argument and with return type and function with argument and with return type. In this session, we will discuss about the function with argument and without return type and function without argument and without return type. Okay, so here this is the example program for with argument and without return type. This is the definition part. And here I have used the two call statements. Both the call statements are for this single definition part. Okay, here this is the name of the function add. Here I have given the arguments or parameters. But inside this definition part, there is no return keyword. So what type is this? With argument and without return type. Okay. Here I have initialized x and y using the argument values. These values will be coming from the call statement. Okay, so here I have created two call statements with different inputs. Okay, here x is one variable and input method I have used to read the value from the user during the execution of the program. We know already the input method always returns the string data type value. That value will be converted into integer with the help of this int inbuilt method. The converted integer value will be stored inside the x variable. Likewise, here also the same. Okay, and x1 and y1. Here this is the call statement. We already know if we want to create any user-defined function, we need to create two parts. One is the definition part and another one is the call statement. In this example, I have created two call statements for the same definition part. So the code is reused. Okay, but different inputs I have given. So after encounter this line, the control carries x and y values and jumps from the 14th line to the second line. X value will be stored inside the a variable and y value will be stored inside the b variable. And x and y values will be initialized with the values of a and b respectively. And the values of x and y will be added and that value will be stored inside the z variable. Here there is no return keyword. Inside the definition part itself I have the print statement. The z will be printed on our console. So the control again jumps from the 6th line to the 15th line. Here the second call statement for the same definition part. Okay, add is the call statement but different inputs x1 and y1. Okay, so the control carries these values and jumps from the 15th line to again the second line. Okay, and here the x1 value will be stored and y1 will be stored inside the b variable. And x and y variables will be initialized with the help of the a and b values respectively. And the values are added. That value will be stored into az. That value will be printed on our console. Isn't it? So here we have used the arguments but we didn't return any value from the definition to the call statement. Now let me execute this one. Here enter a value 23. Enter b value 45. And enter a1 value 100 and enter b1 value 500. So addition of 23 and 45. A value is 23, b value is 45. So this is the result for this statement. And 100 and 500. Okay, so this is the result for this call statement. Got it? I hope you all understood about the function with argument and without return type. The fourth type is function without argument and without return type. Okay, so this is the definition part. Here there is no argument and here there is no return type. This type is function without argument and without return type. Okay, so here x I have initialized, y I have initialized, addition of x and y will be stored inside the z and that value will be printed. So this is the call statement. Actually, the execution starts only from the 8th line because here we have only the definition part. Okay, so the execution starts only from the 8th line. After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 8th line to the 2nd line and all the statements will be executed. Okay, so now let me execute this one. Addition of x and y is 990. 900 plus 90, 990. This is our output. So this is the function without argument and without return. Got it? So we have completed the function types based on the arguments and return. So what are the types we have seen? Function without argument and with return, function with argument and with return, function with argument and without return, finally function without argument and without return. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.